Shuvoesker. Modern spontaneous animated reading. Environmental pollution. Nature, land, air, water, and all other things around us in which we live are called the environment. Environmental pollution means a remarkable change in chemical, physical, and biological characteristics of the environment. It has become a serious problem in the world. In our cities, the air is constantly being polluted by smoke from factories and from carbon monoxide gases emitted from motor vehicles. Man makes fire to make brick, melts pitches for road construction, and burnt wood. This smoke also pullouts air. The ground we walk on both in urban and rural areas is polluted by uncollected garbage. Moreover, farmers use chemical fertilizers and insecticides on their land to grow more and more food. The rain and floods wash away some of the chemicals. They mixed with canal water and river water, which pollutes our environments. Water is polluted particularly as a result of untreated sewage. Industrial waste and insecticides alarmingly pollute water. Moreover, steamers, launches, and even sailboats pollute water by throwing oil, food waste, and human waste into the water. Another form of pollution is sound pollution. We have noise from motor vehicle mills and factories, airplanes, domestic appliances, radio, cassette players, and so on. The air we breathe, the water we drink, and the food we take is not always absolutely pure for health. Environmental pollution leads us to the way of death, so to live a happy and healthy life, environmental pollution must be checked. And for this, we need to create public awareness as well as our government should be taking effective steps immediately.
Thank you for being a part of Shuvoesker.